Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to the channel for the latest market updates and also Multibagger tip. Please don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll receive all the notification what I am posting on my community tab. So usually I will provide all the small updates in the community tab only. So you'll receive the instant notification for that. And also please don't forget to refer to the membership options. There are 3 membership types are available: Elite, Emerald and Ruby. All the Multibagger stock recommendations and also all the short time recommendations are only for channel members. So today we are going to discuss about a community post which I was shared 4 days back. So that was related to Nifty and Sensex. So what will be our target in 2030? So currently we are in 2021. After 9 years, what will be our target for Nifty? So as an investor, we should understand what should be our target, how much gain we are going to make. The index is how much the index is going to be gained in this coming 9 years, because as you know that the government, they are taking all the measures to improve the export and also the production. So this will make a potential change in the industry, and that will support the index. So let us go to the community post. So actually you can see here in this community post I have specified Nifty will hit 81,250 level by 2030. That means exactly after 9 years. And Sensex will hit 2.72 lakhs by 2030. So the total gain during this 9 years will be 470.34%. Maybe you will think that it's a funny thing. Currently you can see here that the Nifty is trading at 17,369.25 and Sensex is trading 58,307, and this guy is talking about 2.72 lakhs. So in 9 years, that means almost 4.7 times the index is going to be gained. So in this video I am going to give you the calculation, that means how we are going to conclude, that means derive that our target is going to be achieved by 2030. So I will give you the clear calculation for that, and please stay tuned and kindly watch the video till end. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, because this kind of information none of the YouTube channels will provide to you, or any other medias will provide to you. So you can see this is the first channel providing this target for Sensex and Nifty by 2030. So already you can see here, so the Sensex will reach 272,500 and Nifty will reach 81,250 by 2030, and total gain in the index will be 470.34%. So let us go into the detailed video so you will come to know that, and I will explain you how we are going to take the benefit of that. If you are going to invest in all the 50 companies of Nifty, you are going to, that means if you are investing 1 lakh rupees in all 50 companies in Nifty, that means 5,000 rupees each. If you are investing in 50 companies, how much will be your gain after 9 years? So if you are investing in any other this thing, that means even if you are owning a small business, there should be a loss, there should be a gain. But here what we are talking, there is no risk at all. So if we are able to take a small risk, we can make much higher than this, and we can reduce the risk as well. So this channel is totally different than any other channel, and we are following only the fundamental stocks. We are not doing any kind of gambling. So whatever the informations we are providing through this channel, that is based on proper analysis, and surely we will achieve all the target. If you see my past recommendations, I recommended almost 70 or 80 stocks. All the stocks given 100% of the return or more than that within this time. So let us go into the video. Before that, just I will tell you, that means if you are going to invest 1 lakh rupees in all the 50 companies, in each company your investment will be 2,000 rupees, and after 9 years this will become 10,000 or sometime more than that. It depends. Sometime what will happen, in one company it will gain 20 times, but in the same time the other company will give you only 2 times return. So we are not calculating any dividend income or any bonus or any split, nothing. We are not calculating any corporate actions and its benefits. So only the index gain we are calculating, and as you know that most of the good fundamental companies will provide bonus as well as dividend during this time. It will be one time or more than that. Some of the companies they are providing on every alternate years. So and also the dividend will be 2 times or 3 times per year. Most of the companies in the index companies. So our investment in each company will reach up to 10,000 and if it is multiplied by 50, so your 1 lakh will be 5 lakhs. So even if you are investing in bank, that means if you are keeping this amount in fixed deposit, after 5 years your money will become only 1.4 lakhs or 1.5 lakh. Even if you are keeping it for 20 years, your money will become double. That means 1 lakh will become 2 lakhs at that time. But it will be 5 lakhs. So this is the minimum gain what we can make it from the index. This is what I am talking about. So now we will come to the calculation and how we are going to make the benefit higher than this, because this channel is even if you don't want to take the risk, then you can invest in all the 50 companies. If you are having the capital of 5 lakh, just divide it by 50 and invest in all the 50 companies and just keep quiet for 5 years or 6 years. Your money will be almost 3 times or 4 times after 5 or 6 years. So no tension at all. No need to keep it in any bank. No need to invest anywhere. No risk at all. Don't think about mutual fund. No need to think about SIP. Nothing. So just invest here and safely sleep. So your money will get multiplied. So that is a simple thing we can do. But even if you are able to take a small risk, we can make much higher than this. Maybe 3 times or 4 times higher than what the index is giving. So just we are going to discuss about that on the further video. But in this video, I will provide you the detailed calculation how we derive this. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And as I told you, it is very unique channel. Whatever the informations we provide, that is based on proper analysis, and we will deal only with fundamentally strong companies, because I don't want my subscribers or my members to make losses in share market, and we will not take such stock, and we don't want such kind of risk. Why we want that kind of risk? As long as we are able to make money from fundamentally strong companies with a proven track records, then why we want to invest in a gambling company where the operator is dealing? So please refer to the membership options. There are 3 types of membership: Elite, Emerald and Ruby. All the short time stock recommendations will be for Ruby members, and all the multibagger stock recommendations will be available from Emerald onwards. Most of the exclusive recommendations will be available to Elite member onwards, and also all the priority replies. Usually I will reply to all the queries of my members without much delay. So your priority reply will be available to all the members from Elite onwards. So let us go into the video. I'm not making it so lengthy. Please don't skip the video. If you are skipping this video, it will be a big loss to you, because none of the channel provided as of till today, nobody provided this kind of information, and nobody given you a clear-cut target for Nifty and Sensex for 2030. So this is a vision how we are going to earn much higher than the index gain, because everyone, if you invest 1 lakh today, and it can be doubled, but never it can be 1 crore. So we are thinking on that way how much we can gain during this index gain. So first we want to know how much the index is going to be gained and how we can derive that. So while we are coming to the chart for past few years, so you can see here yesterday, because I taken the calculation based on yesterday, and yesterday the Sensex was trading 58,250.26, and you can see the date here, September 8, and I taken the calculation in the evening 3:40 p.m. You can see everything here. And while we are coming back, you can see here in 2013 May 9, the Sensex was trading at 2,950. Because why I am taking such a long calculation means always we have to think about fractions, and as long as we are taking much fractions, our value will be more accurate. So we will think on that way. So almost in 2003 May 9, Sensex was trading at 2,950 rupees, and yesterday, as of yesterday, the Sensex was trading 58,250.26. You can see here. So this is 8 September 2021. So you can see the total number of days during this period period in between 9th May 2003 and 8th September 2011 is 6,697 days, and the total gain made during this period is 1,974.585%. So you can see here, I told you we are talking about only the index gain. Other than this, there is corporate actions are there, like bonus issues are there, and also almost all the index companies, they are providing dividends. So we are not calculating this here at all. So that will be an additional income that will be higher than the bank whatever giving. So, and the total per year there are 365 days. Everyone knows that. So while we are calculating based on per year growth, that means the average per year growth for 365 days, you can see here 107.6189% every year the index got gain between 2013 and 2021. So this is the average calculation we are taking, and there are safety factors also we are going to be considered to derive the target. So while we are coming back, you can see here as of yesterday it is 8th September 2021 and total number of days until 30th December 2030. This is our target. You can see here, already I told you this is our target December 2030, because we are talking about the target of 2030 target. So as of 30th December 2020, from the date of today, from 9th September 2021, total 3,400 days are there. And while we are taking the expected census gain for 30th of December 2020 is 470.34%. This is what we have discussed here. Based on this calculation only, we derived that 2.72 lakhs the Sensex will reach, and also Nifty will hit 81,250. This is the basic calculation, and already we have considered the safety factor of 2.132 that will come somewhere around 532.137. Why we are calculating the safety factors? There are certain things we have to think about, certain factors which can drag the index as well during this time. Maybe you can see here in last year March there was a fall was happened, but again it got regained. If it is not regained means there are safety factors we have to consider, and also sometimes the same growth, the GDP will not be maintained for maybe once the government is changed. So we have to consider in all the ways. We have to think about better, but still we have to consider safety factors. So whatever the target we are deriving, that should be an accuracy. There should be an accuracy. For that reason only I am calculating the safety factor of 2.132. So this is a clear-cut target. The Sensex will reach on 30th of December 2030 2,72,500 and Nifty will reach 81,250. I got everyone understand this. So now we are going to discuss about total the Nifty company. Already I told you without any risk we can make 470% gain from the index itself, and we can make much higher than this. So usually as a Ruby member I am recommending lot of short time stocks. Let us say few weeks back I recommended IRCTC and we gain almost 32% in 29 days. So what I told to my people, all my members, just hold your profit in IRCTC. Just forget about that. Take out your asset. You invested 1 lakh. Take out your 1 lakh plus another 5,000 and leave your 25,000 in the stock and just forget about that. So that will make a huge impact in your portfolio. By 2030, we are going to gain on that way. So indirectly, I am setting your portfolio itself. This is a way how we are going to deal in the stock market, how we can make our investment better. So the strategy and how we are going to deal in the stock market will be having a major impact in your portfolio. So I hope everyone understand this, and please subscribe to my channel. Just if you are typing in the YouTube search engine, you can find my channel. Kindly subscribe to the channel and also kindly share this video to your friends and colleagues. So let everyone enjoy the upcoming rally of the index, and also please don't forget to refer to the membership options. There are 3 types of membership as I told you, because it is not like any other channel. Whatever the informations and whatever the stock recommending by this this channel is 100% accurate, and based on proper analysis only I am recommending the stock, and indirectly we are setting your portfolio. So this is worthy enough, and I am providing lot of information on my community tab. And always while you are setting up your portfolio, try to maintain almost 40% for a wealth creator stocks, and don't invest more than 5% in an individual stock. So try to increase maximum number of stocks in your portfolio. That is very important to maintain the cash flow, because there are many people, they are investing the entire money in a single stock. Most probably it will be on a gambling stock, and they will make a huge loss from the stock market, and they will go back without capital what they have invested. That should not be happen. So we have to invest with a proper strategy. That strategy will decide how the gain is going to be happen. So already you can see in my post, you can see here already every day I am giving some tips, so you can refer to that. That's the reason I told you, please don't forget to press the bell icon so you will receive all the notification. You can see here, always maintain your portfolio risk free by proper fund allocation. Try to allocate fund in a way that 40% on the wealth creator stock. As I told you last time, while we are booking profit in IRCTC, we hold almost 30%. In the same way, this is not first time we are holding, before also we are holding on that way only. So just for your XML, just I told you, and 30% on multi-bagger stocks and 20% on the short time swing. So usually the fund allocation on the short time swing should be very less, and usually there is difference between multi-bagger stock and the wealth creator and everything. You can, if you check my community post, you can see everything, all these informations you can find, and there should be minimum 10% of reserve fund should be there with you. So always we have to think positive in the stock market, and we should invest in a proper way, in a strategic manner, so there will not be any hurdle in stock market. And if you have any concern, please don't hesitate to write to me, and you can find my email address in the about tab of my channel. You can find it, and if you have any other concern, you can comment me on any video. Most probably I will reply to that, and you can refer to the membership options. Always the exit and entry levels are very important, because each and every time I am telling you the same thing, because the exit and entry levels are very important in stock market. If you are, because most of the people what they are doing now, you can see that most of my recommendations are exclusive recommendations for the channel members. Usually the retail investors, they will invest on the midway. That means, let us say the JSW is, but everyone knows that it's a potential stock, and by after maybe few years this will be traded almost 3 times or 4 times higher than the current trading level of 36 or 37. Everyone knows that it will be traded more than 100. But for the meantime, while a retail investor taking that stock in a mind, I recommended the stock at 26, and the retail investor, those who have invested after that, they have invested at 40 level or 45 level. Now they are facing small loss, and they will think that our recommendation is wrong. No, usually what I am suggesting to my members, because usually I will provide the exit strategy and also profit booking strategy to my members. In that, usually I am saying, if you are crossing up to a limit, the profit, take out your asset and hold only your profit in the stock. Let the profit grow. That is what we are going to do in almost all the fundamentally strong stocks. That is called as wealth creator. So always, once you have taken out your capital, you don't have any tension. So invest based on strategic manner, and if you have any concern, please write to me. I am ready to help you, and let us try to take the maximum advantage by 2030. And please don't forget to refer to the membership options, and if you didn't subscribe to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. So once again, thank you very much. Thank you.